Let's see how to preview a PDF file without opening it in Windows 10. Like this. Now the PDF file opens in the Microsoft Edge browser. You need to change the application program that opens PDF files. Now open a PDF file. Then go to Menu. Then Preferences. Then General tab. Now enable thumbnail previews in Windows Explorer. Then OK. Then click Yes. Then some files will be downloaded to your Windows. Now PDF thumbnail preview is working on your Windows.